All right, so you can see I have my fields in here, and then I actually put a practice field because we're going to practice some different things that are on AC13. And I think I'm going to start by reviewing this and seeing that I don't have the postal code. And so if I look at my figure 111, between state and start date, there should be a postal code. So to insert a field, I'm going to select the field to the right of where I want to insert the field. I'm going to right click, going to insert the field. I'm going to right click and rename this field. And this is going to be my postal code. Double click and select the white space down here. And for my postal code, I'm going to go back to my table and look at what it should be. It should be short text. So it's already set at short text, and the field size should be 5. So in case I left one out, I now can insert that field. As you're working, you may have needed to delete a field, you may have needed to do some different things. So let's look at how to do some of these, and this is on AC13. So if I wanted to, maybe I did these in the wrong order. If I want to move a field, such as salary, I can grab this. I'm just holding down my mouse. So I clicked on the title, clicked on the field name, and then I can hold down my mouse and drop it. And that reorders it or moves it. So I'm going to move this back. Make sure these are in the correct order. I don't have them in the correct order, so I'm going to grab this. And move that over. Let's see. So I've got postal code, start date, and salary, and then my bonus rate. And then I have this other practice field where I can do some different things. If I need to rename the fields, I can right click, I can rename the field, I can hide the field, I don't want to hide this, but I can rename a field and change the width of it. And then I also can select it and I can delete this field. So if you have a field that's not supposed to be there, you can select and delete it. There we go. So that's just a few things in case you left something out, in case you needed to reorganize it, or in case you needed to know how to delete a field. So at this point, even though I don't think the book tells me to do that, well, it does, actually. I'm on AC13 and asks me to save the table. Since I have already been working in this, I can click the Save button. And then it comes up and asks me to save as, and I'm on AC13 and I want to save this as account manager. And click OK. So now my table is saved. You can see in this left-hand area here that under my objects, under my table objects, I now have a table named account manager. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that. We're going to come back and we're going to look at how these are set up and how you can check your work a little bit.